Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. For more conceptual video on engineering concepts, you can log into our website www.clariconcepts.com. We are here to explain you all the engineering concepts in an easiest way possible. Okay, so today we are going to talk about one of the very confused topic which most of the student has confusion actually, that is fluid flow patterns, which is streamline, streakline and pathline. And most of the student feel that all these three lines are same, but it is not the fact. So let us see in today's lecture that what do you mean by fluid flow patterns and what are these path lines, streamline and streakline, and what do they signify in reality, okay, and when they are same, when they are coinciding each other and when they are different. Let us look. So firstly we will start discussion on path line. So say for example I have the fluid flow, and in this fluid flow I have defined a Cartesian coordinate system x, y and z, and from this system I have identified a point A. A location A is identified by a vector called position vector called xa, and at a given instant of time t there is a fluid particle sitting there at a point A. So I have referred this particle such that at a time t the particle has position xa. Okay, this is the identified particle. Now pathline is nothing but the trajectory followed by this particle which is identified in a given time. So for example, if I talk about the statement, pathline is the path or trajectory traced out by an identified fluid particle. So let's say along the flow this particle with respect to time travels to another position, right? Now it has traveled to this position, it has found over here at time t plus dt, but the path that a particle has followed is this red color path. That means this red color path is known as path line of a given identified particle which was